This is an introduction to the Cricut Maker. This is a vinyl cutter, fabric cutter. It can cut a couple of different things depending on what blade you're using, what material you want to cut, but it's fairly click and go. You can do it from the computer and it sends, the Cricut software talks you through the cutting process. Just want to open this up here. So this is your main work area. You will insert, when you use it, you will insert the mat, and whatever you are cutting sets on top of this mat. This mat has a little bit of a sticky surface to it, so it holds everything in place. This particular Cricut actually has two areas for blades. There's currently only one loaded, but this is where you would change out the blades. It has a couple of different blade options. There's a rotary blade, which looks like this. That can cut thicker things, and it also can cut fabric as well. But the main blade is just our fine point blade, and that will cut most of our adhesive vinyl, cardstock, things of that sort. But the Cricut will, we also have these fun pens. I haven't messed around with those yet, but you can actually put it in here and it'll like doodle for you. So that's kind of cool. This machine actually can do quite a few things. I'll post some examples for you guys. As far as buttons, it's got power button, advance. This connects directly to the Cricut software, and it also has a pause button. So most of the functionality is going to come from the Cricut software. So that is the Cricut. We will do a demo in a few minutes where we plug it up to the computer and cut. As far as supplies that I have that you all can use, I have, and again, you can, if you want something special, you can purchase supplies. It's fairly easy. You don't have to use the Cricut official things. I purchased them just because they do work better with the machine, but as long as you know how to calibrate the settings, you can bring in any cardstock or vinyl and cut it. So you can do here, we've got some nice little sparkle paper that comes in different colors. That's just a thicker cardstock. And then moving down here, so this is actually on a little old AV cart. We have kind of a mobile Cricut, so we can actually, when you guys want to use this, we can just roll it into the classroom, and the computer at the front that's connected to the printer, the computer in front of the classroom, actually has the Cricut software. So as far as creating, you will want to create vector files, so you can do Illustrator files. They have to be SVG, but that's an easy export. You can bring them in. This is the fabric mat, so depending on what you are cutting, you will use different mats and different blades. I have a wide range of different colored adhesive vinyls for you guys. I also have some of this really nice chipboard cardstock, so if you wanted to cut and make your own custom boxes, that'd be perfect for that, or any kind of wraparound type things. There's some more glittery paper that I've got for you guys. And then this in the bottom is craft board. So on one side, you'll see there in the example, on one side it's a shiny metallic, and on the inside it's just the craft tan color. This is transfer tape. So for those of you guys, if any of you have worked with adhesive vinyl, if you are applying adhesive vinyl to a surface, for example, if you're doing a graphic and you want to cut from adhesive vinyl and apply it to a surface like a glass bottle or some sort of glass or plastic surface, you have to use a transfer tape to apply the design. A couple other things here that we've got for you guys. The basic Cricut supplies. There's the other blades. Here there's different tools that help you weed the designs, which is to get the excess vinyl or whatever it is away from the design so that you can use it. And then I even have, here's some more adhesive vinyl. This is like a gold color, more of a kind of goldenrod, and this is more of a brighter gold. And this is different shades of gold. I got a couple different samples in there. And then this guy here, a couple different colors of adhesive vinyl. So that's kind of an introduction to the materials that we have. Again, I'm going to do a demo in the next video of how the machine works, but that is just a quick Cricut Maker overview. Again, this is the Cricut Maker. I will also post links to the Cricut website as well. Lots of great resources on there.